Hi, this is Stephen with Barkowski & Associates research team and Insight Data Signal. This grant promotes the well-being of moms and infants in Mississippi with a special focus on African American mothers. Our team has created a wide range of deliverables for this project, and as such, we want to make sure that all of these deliverables are easily accessible by stakeholders. In this case, we're using a platform called Tableau Public to present information in the form of infographics, a slide deck, a link directory, and videos. Please note that we'll be creating new deliverables as this project goes on. So depending on when you're watching this, you might see additional deliverables that are on the Tableau Public site that aren't discussed here in this video. With that being said, let's get into the Maternal Health Innovation deliverables, as we sometimes call them MHI deliverables, that are available at the time of this video's recording. The first product is an infographic for the Maternal Health Innovation 1-year project overview. This infographic contains both statistics and rich narrative that describes what has transpired in the first year of this project. Relevant information has been cleanly separated into 4 quadrants based on domain, making it very easy for people to quickly see what has been happening in the different project areas. Moving along to the next deliverable, we present a myriad of maternal health indicators by race, with comparisons between Mississippi and the US. This infographic is created from data obtained from the March of Dimes website. From there, we transferred the figures to a Google slide deck and subsequently embedded this slide deck into Tableau. This is a great example of how Tableau can be used to present information beyond the standard data visualizations that you might expect to see driven by CSV files, Excel files, or other traditional methods like that. With the push of a button, a user is able to quickly move through slides that show different maternal health indicators and check how particular races in Mississippi are stacking up against each other, as well as their peers in the US. An expansive slide deck like this is a great example of a product that a partner could go into, sift through to see what's in there, and then pull only the relevant indicators that they need to answer whatever research or evaluation question they're trying to have answered. Next, we have another infographic that shows pregnancy progression for Mississippi by race. Here, we've taken some choice figures from the last visual and aligned them to tell a story of how different groups progress through the pregnancy pathway. We also include narrative to help elucidate key points for each figure. This is a great example of how multiple deliverables can be created from one data source, but organizing that information from that one source differently can allow you to tell unique stories. For our final deliverable at the time of this recording, we will present what is called a link directory. A link directory gathers sources on relevant topics from all around the internet and allows those sources to be accessed easily. In this case, we conducted an incredibly thorough review of any mental health information that related to Mississippi. Basically, anything that was related to maternal health on the internet for Mississippi, we pulled. We then pared down our findings to a list of high-impact items and linked those sources in one place for easy viewing. Any link can be reached immediately by simply clicking on the hot zone. As we stated before, we expect there to be more deliverables created as this project unfolds. So if you're looking on our Tableau Public right now, you might see deliverables that weren't there at the time of this video's recording. We decided that now was a good time to create a video to show you what we've created thus far, and also to show that Tableau isn't only useful for the traditional means of analyzing data driven by CSV files or Excel files, but also as a repository to put up various other kinds of things like slide decks, infographics that are PNG files, and so on like that. Our team always strives to give you the most accurate and precise information, and we not only seek to make it insightful to drive decision-making in a productive way, but also make it engaging, because we believe the more engaging our data is and our output is, the more people will be likely to understand it and ultimately use it. Feel free to leave comments on this video if you're watching it somewhere that allows for that, or contact us directly if you have any thoughts and questions about these data products.